Namaste and welcome to CADEC learning series. In this video, we'll see example of defining logic for pattern instance calculation. We'll use example of frame with holes. The corner holes are at fixed distance from the end, and the distance between first and second hole and last hole can be varied in such a way that the distance between second and second last hole is integer multiple of a pitch. We'll see an image to understand the requirement. This and this are the corner holes which are at a fixed distance. Then first to second hole and second last to last hole. These distances can be varied in such a way that the distance between second and second last hole is an integer multiple of the mid pitch which is provided. Okay, so we'll see how the model is created and how the variables are also created. This is the model. We'll open this part. So I have first created the corner hole and the first hole, and then pattern of the first hole only I have created, and this is the end pitch. This 40 is fixed, so I have not given any meaningful name to it, and to this 40 I have given name as end pitch, and this is the pitch, that is the mid pitch, and this is the number of instances. Now we'll see the size variables, how the variables are defined. The corner distance is fixed. Mid end minimum end pitch is 75. The end pitch should not be less than 75 is a requirement. Double minimum end pitch is also defined for convenience, and because the remainder of this mod is a remainder uh, of dividing the gap by the mid pitch. If the remainder is more than twice the double minimum end pitch, then we can take one value of the mid of the instances, and if the remainder is less than double minimum pitch, then we'll reduce the number of instances by one. So for that I have created variables mid pitch quantity A and quantity B, and then from that the based on the number of uh, instances the end pitch is calculated, and number of holes is the pitches plus one. We'll see how the calculation is done here. So I'll create a instance. I'll give a layout ID. I'll give a frame length of, let's say, we'll see that distance between these two holes is 110, which is the calculated end pitch, and it is the same here also. So I'll change these values. Maybe I'll make it 1900. I'll calculate again. Now in this case, the end pitch is changed to 85 mm, and the mid pitch is same as whatever we have specified. That's all. Thank you.